Hello fellow teachers, I am live for my next virtual class on Zoom via Trimpixel. Trimpixel allows me to integrate my actual self with my virtual data whenever I am conducting an online classroom. And this class can be conducted on Zoom, on Meet, on Team, or any of the other 100 plus video conferencing softwares, and it works on even YouTube Live. What Trimpixel allows me to do is put my face on any of the slides, PowerPoint slides that I've already created. It gives the students a bit of a human touch when we are explaining the chapters to them. This way, the students get more engaged, they remain more engaged, and they retain more information, and hence they progress faster. Not only does Trimpixel allow me to create my own slides, but it also allows me to engage with any of the other virtual elements that I might be interested in using in the classroom. And when I talk about virtual elements, what I imply is it can be a YouTube video. You can see a YouTube video about the cardiovascular system, which has gone here. If the video is small, or if the data is coming out to be small, we can always zoom it in and remove ourselves so that the students can just focus on what we are trying to show to them. And while I'm showing this, we can look at how it will appear to the students, and while I'm talking, the students are able to hear me over the video. Hence, the students have the unique opportunity to learn both virtually and with the human touch for a better learning experience. Not only can I just import a YouTube video, I can just add any GIF to it. I can go ahead and I can add any of my PowerPoint slides which I've already created for my previous lectures. So you don't even need to recreate any of the work that you have done. You just need to come into Trimpixel and stitch together your story and tell that story beautifully. Tell that story more engaging way so that students are able to learn better. For, for more information on how to use it, you can reach out to me personally via my Facebook account, or you can go to trimpixel.com and sign up for the beta product. I look forward to hearing from you.